Welcome to Singapore Changi Airport, where innovation meets nature. After 3.5 years of engineering marvels, Terminal 2 has reopened, boasting new immersive experiences. Set amidst a lush vertical garden, it's a sight to behold, blending technology with the tranquility of the natural world. As you venture through the departure transit area, immerse yourself in dreamscape. This new garden oasis features a captivating array of plants set against a beautifully landscaped backdrop, brought to life by a mesmerizing digital sky. It's an experience that bridges the gap between the artificial and the organic, leaving travelers in awe. Experience the fusion of technology and nature like never before at Terminal 2 of Singapore Changi Airport. Come, and let your journey begin amidst wonders crafted by human ingenuity and inspired by the beauty of the natural world. Step into the departure hall and behold the Wonderfall, a breathtaking 14-meter-tall digital waterfall display inspired by nature. Terminal 2 isn't just a gateway, it's a destination in itself. From spacious lounges to convenient facilities, everything is crafted with your comfort in mind. Need to freshen up? Visit the luxurious shower suites. Forgot your essentials? Explore the well-stocked retail outlets. With complimentary Wi-Fi and charging stations throughout, staying connected is effortless. Did you know? Terminal 2 is not only a marvel of modern engineering, but also a showcase of sustainability. Its design incorporates energy-efficient features and sustainable materials, reducing its environmental footprint. Plus, Terminal 2's art installations and cultural exhibits celebrate Singapore's vibrant heritage and creativity, offering travelers a glimpse into the city-state's soul. As you prepare for your journey, remember that Terminal 2 is more than just a transit point. It's a destination where every detail is meticulously crafted to ensure a seamless and enriching travel experience. From world-class facilities to delectable dining options and cultural immersion, Terminal 2 embodies the spirit of Singapore. Welcome to the Enchanted Garden, nestled within the heart of Terminal 2 at Changi Airport, Singapore. Step into a realm where nature and modernity intertwine, offering travelers a moment of tranquility amidst the bustling airport ambience. As you stroll through this botanical oasis, you'll encounter a symphony of colors and scents, inviting you to pause and immerse yourself in the beauty of nature. The Enchanted Garden isn't just a visual delight, it's a sensory experience. Listen to the soothing sounds of flowing water, feel the gentle breeze caress your skin, and breathe in the fresh, floral. Wander along meandering pathways lined with vibrant blooms, each corner revealing a new wonder to behold. Whether you're captivated by the sight of delicate orchids, or enchanted by the dance of colorful butterflies, there's something to delight every soul. And when you're ready to continue your journey, Changi Airport Terminal 2 stands ready to provide you with unparalleled comfort and convenience. Did you know that getting between Terminal 2 and Terminal 3 is not only convenient, but also offers a scenic treat? Let's hop aboard the SkyTrain and explore. The SkyTrain seamlessly connects Terminal 2 to Terminal 3, providing travelers with a quick and hassle-free transfer experience. As you glide between terminals, be sure to look out the window and catch a glimpse of one of Singapore's most mesmerizing sights, the Jewel Waterfall. Located within the iconic Jewel Changi Airport, this stunning indoor waterfall, known as the Rain Vortex, is the tallest indoor waterfall in the world. Witnessing its cascading waters against the lush greenery of the Shiseido Forest Valley is truly a sight to behold. And enjoy the ride as the SkyTrain takes you on a journey between terminals, offering both convenience and a breathtaking view of the Jewel Waterfall. SkyTrain arriving at Terminal 3. As we arrive at Terminal 3, get ready for the next adventure. In our next video, we'll take you on a complete walk-through tour of Terminal 3, showcasing its remarkable features and amenities. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.